Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we help you master the art of plant care. Today, I'm going to guide you through the essential process of changing soil in your potted plants. It's crucial for keeping your green beauties healthy and thriving over time. So, make yourself comfortable, grab a cup of tea or coffee, and let's dive into giving your plants the refresh they deserve. First things first, why change the soil in your potted plants? As your plant grows, it depletes the nutrients available in the soil, leaving it deficient for further growth. Moreover, compacted soil can suffocate roots and hinder water absorption. By refreshing the soil, you're ensuring a vibrant environment where your plants can flourish. Before we start, ensure that you have all the necessary tools: fresh potting mix, gloves, a watering can or spray bottle, a trowel or small garden spade, a clean tray for catching excess dirt, and if needed, a bigger pot. It's also recommended to keep some pebbles handy for drainage at the bottom of your new pot. Step 1 is all about preparation. Choose a well-lit area where you can easily work with your plants. Lay down newspapers or a tarp to protect your surfaces from dirt and spills. Make sure everything is within arm's reach, so you're not running around mid-process. Now it's time to assess the condition of your plant's current soil. Is it dry, compacted, or showing signs of mold? These are clear indicators that it's time for a change. Additionally, if your plant has outgrown its pot, this is the perfect opportunity to upgrade. Let's carefully remove the plant from its pot. Start by tapping the sides and bottom of the pot to loosen the soil and roots. Then hold the base with one hand while supporting the plant's stem or crown with your other hand. Gently turn the pot upside down and slowly pull it away from the root ball. Once out of the pot, inspect the roots. Healthy roots should be firm and white or pale yellow in color. If you notice any black or mushy roots, these are signs of rotting due to overwatering. Carefully trim off affected areas with clean, sharp scissors to prevent further damage. If the root ball is tightly packed, it's time for some root pruning. Using your hands or garden shears, gently tease apart the outer layer of roots to loosen them up. This will encourage new growth once you repot your plant into fresh soil. Time to prepare the new pot. If it's larger than the previous one, ensure there are drainage holes at the bottom. Place a layer of pebbles or broken pottery in the base for extra drainage. Now add about an inch of fresh potting mix on top of the pebbles. Gently place your plant into the new pot, ensuring it sits at roughly the same level as before. Begin filling around the roots with fresh soil, tamping down gently to remove air pockets and secure the plant in place. Leave a little space, about an inch or so, between the top of the soil and the rim of the pot for watering. As you fill the pot, make sure not to bury the crown of your plant too deeply, as this can lead to rotting. Keep everything level and firm, but avoid packing down the soil too tightly, which can hinder root growth. Once repotted, give your plant a thorough yet gentle watering until water starts to drain from the bottom. This will help settle the soil around the roots and eliminate any air pockets. Afterward, allow excess water to drain for at least 15 minutes before placing your plant on its new saucer or tray. And there you have it. Your potted plant has been given a fresh start with new soil. Remember, this process is crucial for maintaining the health of your plants, so be sure to repeat it every year or when necessary. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Let's keep nurturing our green friends together.